Welcome everyone. Today we are going to start a Linux basic series. Today we will be diving into the basics of Linux command, and this is the very first part of our series focusing on the very essential commands for beginners. And we will be covering how to navigate directories, create and manage files, and learn how to access commands and help. And by the end of this session, you will be comfortable with moving around the Linux environment and performing basic tasks. So let's start. So first of all, I'm going to start my terminal. You will be doing all the tasks from here. I'm using a Terminator right now. You can also use terminal, and both are very much similar. So don't worry about that. So let me just increase the size. Okay, so our first command is pwd. Pwd. So basically, pwd command stands for print working directory, and it basically tells you exactly where you are in a file system, and it just show the complete directory path. So when you press pwd and hit enter, it's showing me the current directory path, like I'm in a slash home slash rupankar. So whenever you are wherever you are in a Linux system, you it will be showing you the current directory path. So if you are in right now I'm in slash home slash rupankar, so the output is like slash home slash Rupankar. So pwd command is a very simple command, but it's a very essential command in a Linux. So whenever you type pwd, it will show the full path of your current directory, and this is very especially useful if you are deep within multiple directories and you need to confirm your exact location in the system. If you run pwd at that time, you will be getting the directory name, and then you can figure out like where you are and in which directory you want to move in. So that's why pw is very much important command in Linux system, and I have discussed this in a very first command. And after pwd, we are having our ls command. So when you put ls is basically ls lists all the files and folder in our current directory. So on my home and slash Upanga, these are the files and directory that is available there. So it basically lists all the files and folder in the current directory wherever we are working, and by default it shows just the file and folder name. However, we can add few options for a more detail, if you put ls-l. Mhm. ls-l, it will be showing you all the details, what are the permissions with the file, what is the size of the file, when the file is being created, and what is the location of the file. So it will be showing you all the details regarding the file. If you put lsl, it is just it just provide a long listing and shows the file permission, number of links, honors, group size, and a modification date, when the file is being modified. So it provides us all the details, lsl. And we also have ls hyphen a. ls hyphen a basically list all the files including the hidden files, some of the dot files are also visible here by using lsa. So lsa basically helping us to recognize all the hidden files also. And after lsa, we have lsl hyphen lh. Once again, ls hyphen lh. So basically, ls hyphen lh is very much similar to lsl, but it shows the file size in a more readable format. Once again, shows the file size in a more more defined manner. It's showing me the root folder is of a 733 m, this document size is of a 4.0 k, kb. So it will show you the all the files in a very precise manner and very readable format. So this is what this command does. Basically, the ls command is very much crucial in Linux. By default, it lists all the files in the folder in the directory you are currently, and if you add options like ls hyphen ls-l, ls-lh, it will give you the detailed information, including the permissions, ownerships, and the size. So adding -a shows the hidden files which are marked with a dot at the beginning, and -lh shows the file size in a human readable form, which is helpful for a quick change of a quick checking of a file size, what is the file size, like it is in a kb or it's in a mb, what is the file size exactly it is, and that helps us to while doing some modification or transferring one file from another file. So at that time we need help. So after that we have a clear command, clear. So basically, the clear command is being used to clear the terminal. So once you press enter, it will be clear the entire terminal, and whatever things you have done on the terminal, it will goes out. So that's why we use clear terminal. And after discussing ls, let's move to cd. So basically, cd stands for current directory. So right now it's showing that I am on a root directory. So the cd command is used to move between the directories. So let me press ls. So these are the files and directories I am having on the on my current directory. And if I want to move to the my directory, just let me copy and paste here. Once you just put cd and my directory, it has changed my home directory to the my directory. And when I put ls here, it will be showing me all the files that is available on the my directory folder or my directory file. So that's how a cd works. Cd is basically used for changing the directories, and the command cd is how you move around the linux, cd documents move from used to move the document folder from one file to another file. And if you are deep within the folder, you can use cd dot dot to come back from that folder. So that's also you can do. Like if you are running few scans and you are in a very you are from one or two step away from your root directory, you can simply put cd dot dot, and it will get you back to the normal a normal scenario. So that's how cd you can use. And so let me clear the terminal. And after cd we are having our echo command. Basically, echo is used to display a line of a text or write a text to a file. So the echo commands print the text on the screen. So we can also use echo as a text to the file. So basically, I'm typing here echo and hello world file.txt. So right now it will be create a file.txt, and then it will write a message hello world in that. So if you are having any access to any a Linux system, and if you want to show some message on that display, you can simply show that message using echo command. So the message is being written in file.txt. So if I want to check what is message inside that, I can use cat command to check the message. So when I pressed cat command file.txt, it has given me the message what was in the file. So that's how the echo command work. And basically the echo command is very simple command, but it's a very powerful. If you just simply type if echo and hello world or whatever, echo and what's it called? Echo slash hello world, and the file name, it simply creates a file, and with the text inside that. And it yeah, if you just print the text on the screen. Echo is basically a very quick way to create the file with a specific content. And let's move to another command, which is a cat command. So basically, cat is concatenate and display file content. So a cat display the contents in the file. So when I put cat and the file.txt, like whatever file I have created, it is showing me the content of the file. So let me create another file, echo hello world. I'm giving this name as a file2. So now my file2 is being created, and if I were to check the content inside the file2, I simply put cat file 2 here and press enter. I will be getting the content what is inside the file. So if you are working with any file, and if you want to get the information regarding that, you can simply put the cat command before that, and after that you just have to put the file name, and it will be showing you the what are the things behind that. So basically the cat command lets you to view the file content directly in the terminal. So just you just need to type cat and the file name name to display the content of a file. And if you want to combine two files, you can also use like if I want to combine two file, I can also use cat file one. Once again, cat file, right? Okay, so if I want to see the content of a two file in a single time, I can simply pass two files name here, and it will be giving us the content of both the files. So it combines and show the content of both files. So that's how you can use cat command. And okay, so after cat command, we are having touch command. So basically touch creates an empty file. So I'm here creating a new file.txt. Touch basically creates a new empty file, and touch commands it's a very quick way to make a placeholder file or update the timestamps of existing one. So just simply press enter, and my new file may be created. So to create a new file, we use the touch command. And for instance, touch new file.txt is here creating a new file with the name new file.txt. So if the file is already existing, like I was may having the file new file.txt before on the my desktop, so it will update the time span. Like it now the file time will be changed to the recent time. So this is very helpful to organize the file in a very modified date. So if you want to update the date of any file, I just simply type the touch and the file name. It will also modify the date and the creation of a file. So after that, we have again clear, and then move to make dir. So make dir stand for make directory, and make dir command creates a new directory. And we can use -p option also to create a nested directory also. So I'm here creating make new folder one, and when I press enter, my new folder one will be created. So let me press enter. Here is my, once again, a new folder dot one. So I have created this using make dir command. I can also create parent and children, like parent directory with a children directory. So to create that, simply put make dir hyphen p, and then the parent slash child. Now when I press ls, I have created a parents directory. When I move to parent directory, when I put enter, it will be showing me the child directory. So that's how you can create a parent directory and child directory using the make dir command. So after this, we are having rm command. So rm basically used to delete the files. So be caution, because everything on a Linux are in file, and if you somehow delete your root folder, it will be deleting all of your tools and everything, and you will be not able to perform any work on a Linux. So make sure to use this command very properly. So here I am deleting my new file.txt. So whenever I put rm and the file name, once again, uh, is giving me error. I will be coming back to that again. So basically rm removes the file or a directory. So if I want to delete my it can also help us you to remove the directory. When I put rm hyphen hyphen r, and the directory name is my directory, I want to remove this directory. So simply copy and paste, and okay, so I am in parent directory. That's why it's giving me error. So let me do cd dot dot to back from here. And now if I want to remove, I simply put rm and r on my directory. And when I check ls, now my directory has been removed from here. So if I want to remove any file, I can simply put rm, and I want to remove which file.txt I want to remove. So simply file.txt, and now when I put ls, my file.txt is not available here. So it means it has deleted that. So the rm command is used to delete the file. So be very much careful while using that, and there is no undo option while using rm command. So make sure whatever thing you are deleting, just confirm before while deleting and adding we can also add I prompt to before each deletion. It will be giving you few more updates. And at the man command is for a manual for command, like it will the man command will go you for understanding the command. So when I put man and ls, it will be giving me a manual for my ls command. So it will be giving me all the details, like what are the options, what are the parameters I can use for a ls command. It will be giving me all the details with that. So man is basically a manual for the command. And man command, you can go for understanding the command. Like if you are not getting idea like what this command is doing here, you can simply put man and the command, and it will be giving you all the details here. So at the end, after let me press q and get out exit from there. So after that, we are having help command. So adding help after any command will give you the quick summary of its options, like what are the options, what are the parameters any command is having. So when I put ls hyphen hyphen help, it is giving me all the parameters and options that ls command is having. So help is used to know anything about, like if I put nmap, and nmap is a basic network scanner here. So when I put nmap hyphen hell, it will be giving me all the parameters and the things that is inside the nmap. So basically, help command is being used here to get the idea like what are the things behind that, and get the manual, like, get a quick summary and quick overview of any command or any tool whatever you are using. So if you are not having a great idea regarding any tool, you can simply put the tool name and hyphen hyphen help, and it will be giving you a great idea regarding that tool. So in the first section, like in this was the first part of our series. And today we have covered the very essential linux command for navigation, managing file, and assessing help. So just I will suggest you to practice all this command, and soon I will be uploading the other section of this video. And in this series we will be moving up to very advanced level of a linux command. So make sure to follow this series from part 1 to the part end. So that's all for today. Thank you.